Little restriction right there, not bad though. And then right there, so these two segments. We're gonna start with the higher side. Okay, other side. And look straight up high as you can. Wow, that was loud. Good job. Okay. Okay, after you, let's check it out here. How many weeks again?
28.
28.
I think.
Lose track of time. As
Yes.
easy as they do. Okay. Is Tim excited?
Yes.
Yeah, he should be.
He's very excited.
Okay, I'm going to switch you sides here. We're going to work a little higher in between this mid back. You like to hold a lot of your attention right here. Big breath. And exhale. Wow, that went awesome. Cool. Okay, little pressure. You okay?
Yep.
Okay. There we go. I knew there was one more in there. Okay, big breath again. And exhale. There he goes. Okay. So I want you to cross this leg over this one for me right there. Perfect. Okay. Uncross both legs. When you're ready, come off the table for me. Oh yeah. Much better. Yeah, good stuff. That went great.
Perfect.